welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to make paper squishy like this. This is a squishy. So let's get at the tutorial. Here are the required materials: paper, stationery, tape, markers or whatever you want to use, and stuffing. I'm using pillow stuffing. Fold your paper into half. Now start drawing your design. I'm drawing lifesaver gummies. Now I'm outlining it, and this is the most satisfying part. I'm coloring it now. So now you have to cover it with tape on the both sides. You have to tape it like this, and from this and leave the upper side for stuffing. Now add your stuffing in it. You can also use plastic, cotton. Now tape it from the upper side too. So this is the final product. It's a squishy. So if you like the video, like this video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.